Nice cage.
Is this what happens when vloggers meet?
When vloggers meet. But my truck's dirty. I'll see you soon.
Okay. So here's a quick thought. When you're thinking about collabs, it doesn't have to be something crazy, over the top, over involved. I'm in Phoenix for a couple of days and I get to meet up with Trey Van Camp. We don't have anything huge planned. We're just gonna grab lunch. And I think that's just as cool.
How you doing?
How you doing?
What do you got there? Like a weight distribution thing?
I don't know what I would call it. I buy everything used, so
it just comes with everything.
Wait, did you finally say something smart?
I don't think so. I said I think we try to, what's the opposite of oversimplify? Yeah, we try to overcomplicate the whole process of life, especially YouTube. And I think the greatest leaders simplify everything. And I think to be a successful YouTuber is to be a good human and love other humans and document the journey towards doing that. I think that's what people appreciate the most. And they love seeing the joy behind you pursuing that endeavor is my philosophy on YouTubing.
And lots of hands gestures.
And lots of, because I'm a preacher. What do you expect?
Okay, as I started this, the collab doesn't have to be crazy involved. The collab doesn't have to be weeks and weeks of planning in 6 different locations.
Right.
We had a great collab today, and this video will probably be less than 3 minutes long, but that's the encouragement that I want to give you. Find somebody else on YouTube that you connect with.
For sure.
Reach out. I mean, did it freak you out when I first reached out to you? Because I
That first
remember
time?
you told me that I was the first YouTube connection or YouTube meetup that you ever really had.
No, I'm not gonna lie, it inflated the ego, so that was fun. I was
Yeah,
like,
we could hardly get his
meeting
head
somebody.
in the building.
Yeah, it already is big. Dude, I got a size 8 hat.
Wow,
Yeah,
and I
so
thought I got a
that's
7
real.
3/4, and
No,
I thought I had a big.
I could have fit that to save my life. But yes, it was super like cool and nerve-wracking when we first met each other because it's like
Yeah.
But both
Please don't be a
times-
serial killer.
Yeah, exactly. Made sure it's public places, but both times we spent like 2 hours just talking. Literally like no moments of silence.
No.
I'm like very encouraged right now. So go do it.
Then I'm gonna call this a win.
Yeah, boom.
Join us.
And like he did on my vlog last time, link me, Steven.
Link you.
me.
I will link you. What if you don't get a link and a shout out? What was the point?
But this isn't a collab, then yeah.
It was a collab though.